snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. It is, I don't even know what day it is, man. We've been at it for a good bit. Here's progress. This is SR International XKMR's bay. And right now I've just been working in the mezzanine trying to clean it up for moving. Oh, got So Scared Bear helping out with the electrics. And this is what I'm up to. So we worked on ripping out the walls yesterday. Make this space a little more open. My idea is actually for this big square area, we're gonna cover it, frame a piece of acrylic to it, so it's kind of like a see-through window. We're gonna move this vent system, just bring it down to the floor, and then we'll probably make some sort of counter above it, so that's just out of the way. So right now I am gonna be working on cutting out extra pieces of wood to cover this up, make it look pretty, and hide all the wiring and stuff like that. This place is supposed to be like ready in the next couple of days here. Just because we have to do epoxy still, we still have to paint the front showroom area. Yeah, just lots of work. The important thing when starting any project or endeavor is the prep work. So beginning stage is always the most strenuous, but the most rewarding. So now I got all my panels drawn out. I just gotta cut it and then tag it on the wall. You know what? I'm actually gonna attempt to move this vent myself because it's just a few bolts, and I don't think it'd be too hard to cut this metal myself. We'll take down the mounts and probably just take all of the middle piping down and then bring that top part to the floor. Wow, first piece, and it is perfect. Just gotta cut the hole for the outlet for this guy, but should cover most of, well, it should cover like half of the bottom part of that. Then we just gotta cut this side wall out and this bottom wall, and this should be almost complete. And I already kind of shaped out the silhouette for the top pieces, so yeah. Easy cake. We're just like taking the same exact experience that we've learned using all these tools from all the car stuff we've done in the past and transferring it to studio renovation stuff. This crew can actually be their own renovation team. It's crazy. I'd say for a couple newbies, we're doing pretty okay. Anything else we can throw in here? Hey.
Hello.
What the heck?
For the corners.
That's what you do. Yeah. And that's basically like going up in those areas. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Sweet. Yeah, right now we're just working on mudding the walls, trying to make them all flush. DIY, guys. This is like home renovations, definitely not us, okay? Not our thing. In all honesty, this isn't actually looking that bad.
I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality.
Oh, genius. Yeah, it's like origami.
Exactly.
Damn.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
Alright guys, I figured I'm just gonna end the video at home, call it a night. I need a haircut. I don't know what's going on with this anime Asian hair, okay? Actually, when I wake up in the morning, I just don't even have to do anything to my hair. Bed hair-ish. So for tomorrow, I think we're just gonna be prepping the flooring so that epoxy can take place in the next few days here. Drywall's completed. The mudding's just gonna have to dry overnight, but maybe tomorrow we can get started on the painting. In terms of car stuff, I mean, like, there's so many things I still want to do to the E36. Plus, our RX-8 giveaway build is gonna be starting pretty soon. I'm just kind of building up the parts pile right now, so stay tuned. Literally. I'm surprised at the amount of work we've been putting into this renovations ourselves for the past few days. You know what, we're crushing it. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't film that you guys didn't see that was just a lot of work. Like some of the walls that we actually took down, we weren't supposed to. They were part of the structural support of the building. One of Sunny's friends had to recreate the structural beams, and we had to drywall it, put the mud on all of the walls. But yeah, just lots of effort. So we're just gonna wait for it to dry, and maybe tomorrow we'll start sanding, and if we can, probably paint as well, because the plan is to just clean this place up and move in sooner than later. For the rest of the night, actually, I'm just gonna edit this video. 3 days straight into Vlogmas. My honest opinion, it's tough, you know? And right now it's almost like 2 a.m. but I promise to have this video rendering while I'm sleeping so that in the morning it'll be done rendering and then I can just upload it to YouTube. Yeah, this Vlogmas thing it's a huge lesson at the end of the day, and it keeps me on my toes. Like, I feel obligated to come out with a video for the next day, but then like the next day I actually have to film the next video, which is, yeah, it can get strenuous, especially if you don't actually schedule your days proper. I actually kind of made a plan for what I want to do for all of December. So now I really just have to hold myself accountable and follow through. And you guys will hold me accountable too. So let's keep the streak going. Let's end the video, guys. Appreciate you for watching as always. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and good night. Peace. Could also be morning, I guess. See ya.